Hi, I'm Amber from Milena Learning. Welcome back. I thought I might spend some time reviewing some of my favourite toys that I use in class. One of my favourite toys is a very simple toy, but for some reason the kids around 18 months old just love this one. It is called the Buzzy Buckle. I introduced this to the children probably around 18 months old, and kids still enjoy it, going right on to even about 3. On the back, you'll see that there are a series of buckles. I haven't done them up very well. It's great for this pinching action. You can pinch them open, pinch them open, pinch them up. There's a couple of different ones. This one is a little bit small, so you've got a press button. This is also a press button buckle. And the last one, this blue one, is another one that you need to press open. Then once you've opened them all up, it's fun to play. Even actually for a little infant would enjoy just the sensation of these. But I also use it for counting. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And underneath, you can also introduce animals and animal sounds. So here we've got cat, says meow. Ruff ruff, says the dog. Of course, we've got the frog, a monkey, and under this one we've got a pig. We can use it for colour coordination. So, and purple goes with purple. Click. The kids really like doing this activity and playing with this, and this is particularly a good toy if you need to make a phone call or something like that and you need your child quiet for a few minutes. When I introduce it in class, it really is a good few minutes of quiet time. Clickety-clack. You can also put them around the front. Red with red. This particular toy, I think, retails for about $15 to $20, and you can pick it up on Amazon or eBay or something like that. This is a Buzzy Buckle. I love this toy, and I would definitely give it about 8.5 out of 10.